In this video, we're going to look at how to add and subtract algebraic fraction. So let's look at first example. To solve this algebraic fraction, we need to follow the steps. First, we need to find the common denominator for the fractions. In this case, the common denominator for 4 and 3 is 12. So then we need to rewrite each fraction with the common denominator of 12. So let's do that. So I'm going to copy the first fraction, and then I'm going to make equivalent fraction with the denominator of 12. So we can see the multiplier is 4. So I need to multiply the numerator with 4 as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the x minus 2 in the bracket and place 4 in front of the bracket. Now let's do same to the second fraction. So we have 2x plus 3 over 4. So we making the equivalent fraction with the denominator of 12. We know the multiplier here is 3, so we need to multiply numerator with 3 as well. So we will have 3 times 2x plus 3. So next step, we need to add the fractions with the common denominator. So I'm going to copy this fraction. So we have 4 times x minus 2 over 12, add 3 times 2x plus 3 over 12. Because these fractions have same denominator, all we need to do, we need to add the numerator. So I'm just gonna combine the numerators here. So we have plus 3 times 2x plus 3 over 12. So next step is to expand the brackets and then combine like terms. Collect the like terms. So let's first expand the brackets. 4 times x gives me 4x. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So let's expand second bracket. 3 times 2x is positive 6x, and the 3 times positive 3 is positive 9. Okay, here the like terms are 4x and 6x, which is if we collect them, it's going to give us 10x, and then another like terms are negative 8 and a positive 9, and which gives us positive 1. So we just got our final answer, which is the 10x plus 1 over 12. Okay, now let's have a look at the second question. So here we subtract the fractions. So to solve this, first we need to find the common denominator for these fractions, and in this case the common denominator for 4 and 6 is 12. So again, we're going to make the equivalent fractions with the denominator 12. We can see the multiplier here is 3, so we're going to multiply the numerator by 3 as well. So this one I can express as 3 times and 3x minus 1 we can put in the brackets. So now let's do exactly the same for the second fraction. So we have 2x plus 1 over 6. So we generating the equivalent fraction with denominator 12. Here the multiplier is 2, so we're going to multiply the numerator by 2 as well. So we're going to have 2 times 2x plus 1. Now let's add the fractions with the common denominator. So we will have, so we have 3 times 3x minus 1 over 12. So we subtracting 2 times 2x plus 1 over 12. Because these fractions have the same denominator, I'm simply going to subtract the numerator. So we will have 3 times 3x minus 1. Take away 2 times 2x plus 1. Okay, now we're going to expand the brackets. So we're going to have 3 times 3x gives us 9x. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And then we have negative 2 times 2x gives us negative 4x. And the negative 2 times positive 1 is negative 2. Now let's collect the like terms. So 9x minus 4x, that is positive 5x. And here we have negative 3 and the negative 2, which gives us negative 5. Okay, and then we just got our final answer, which is 5x minus 5 over 12.